Boogzel Clothing Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're browsing trendy online boutiques and you come across entry brand, Boogzel Clothing, zero with prices that look too good to be true. Hold on, most people get this wrong by assuming low price equals good value, but here's why you should dig deeper. Boogzel Clothing bills itself as an aesthetic fashion brand, Ike style, grunge, preppy and soft girl outfits. On their site, you'll see items like cargo jeans for us, knit scarves for us, and bomber jackets for us. Site on their own review page they claim a 4.97-star rating. Site what you get: a wide range of fashion forward pieces at mid-tier price points. Free standard shipping to many countries. They advertise free standard shipping, no minimum. Site what you give up or need to watch. Customers on third-party review. Sites report poor quality, long shipping delays on 2 months, sizing mismatches and even possible counterfeit items. Site return processes, especially from overseas, may cost you time and money. Here's how to evaluate before you buy. Step 1. Review the fabric composition and read descriptions carefully. Does cottony linen actually mean it? Step 2. Compare with local trusted retailers for similar design versus cost. Step 3. Estimate your usage if you intend to wear the item multiple times. Cost per use drops. Step 4. Check shipping and returns if you're in India. Factor import duty, shipping time and possible delays. You won't believe what happens next if you skip quality checks. You get the outfit, it fits or lives up fine the first event, then the fabric fades, or the stitching gives out, suddenly the value shrinks. The surprising truth: great design doesn't always mean great materials or service. In conclusion, if you love the aesthetic of Boogzel clothing and you're comfortable with a little risk, especially if you'll wear the piece often, the price might be justified. What if you expect premium quality, fast delivery and local support? You might want to compare alternative brands or local options first. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more clothing brand pricing explained and what you're actually getting for your money.